So this is for the dryer, which is located on top of the washer. It's really easy. So first, if you want to clean the lint, clean for each load, right here, pretty self-explanatory. Stick it back down when it's clean. And yes, choose if you want heavy duty, normal, casual, delicate. Let's leave it casual. Press power. You can choose the temperature, whether you want it hot, medium, low. Dryness, more dry, normal, less dry. More dry will take the longest, but it's also most dry. And same with the end of cycle. And same thing, just press and hold this for about 3 seconds and it will start. And that is the dryer.